I'm going to tell you how to pronounce English words with silent letters and solve the mystery of why those silent letters are there. 130 English words with silent letters. Can you say subtle correctly?
How do you say that?
How about gnarly?
What?
Or knee? Can you say climb?
Climb.
Ascend?
Sure, ascend.
How about yoke?
Huh?
Or knock?
Why is a K there?
Who knows?
It's a mystery. And I know the answer.
Words with silent B. Comb. Comb. Climb. Climb. Bomb. Bomb. Crumb. Crumb. Doubt. Doubt. Limb. Limb.
Why have letters in words if they're silent? Why?
Why?
I can tell you why. Just stick around and find out.
Numb. Numb. Subtle. Subtle. Lamb. Lamb. Words with silent C. Abscess. Abscess.
I think I'm understanding this.
Ascend. Ascend. Conscience. Conscience. Crescent. Crescent. Descend. Descend. Scene. Scene. Scissors. Scissors.
English, 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 English.
Fascinate. Fascinate. Muscle. Muscle. Words with silent D. Bridge. Bridge. Edge. Edge. Handkerchief. Handkerchief. Handsome. Handsome.
Silent letters?
Grandson. Grandson. Ledger. Ledger. Words with silent E. Debate. Debate. Desire. Desire. Excite. Excite. Kite. Kite. Love. Love. Make. Make. Name. Name. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now. Words with silent G. Gnome. Gnome. Sign. Sign. Align. Align. Benign. Benign. Assign. Assign. Design. Design.
Good. Good.
Cologne. Cologne. High. High. Light. Light. Might. Might. Night. Night. Fright. Fright. Gnarly. Gnarly. Foreign. Foreign. Words with silent H. Ghost. Ghost. Arch. Arch. Anchor. Anchor. Choir. Choir. Archive. Archive. Honest. Honest. Honor. Honor. Chorus. Chorus. Chaos. Chaos. Charisma. Charisma. Air. Air. Echo. Echo. School. School. Way. Way.
Vehicle. Vehicle. Did I seem angry in that video?
While. While. When. When. Well. Well. Words with silent K. No. No. Knee. Knee. Need. Need. Nell. Nell. Knife. Knife. Night. Night. Knit. Knit. Knock. Knock. Knot. Knot. Knuckle. Knuckle. Knowledge. Knowledge. Words with silent L. Yoke. Yoke. Wood. Wood. Walk. Walk. Stalk. Stalk. Talk. Talk. Should. Should. Salmon. Salmon. Palm. Palm. Calm. Calm. Half. Half. Folk. Folk. Could. Could. Chalk. Chalk. Calf. Calf. Words with silent N. Autumn. Autumn. Column. Column. Condemn. Condemn. Solemn. Solemn. Hymn. Hymn. Damn. Damn. Words with silent P. Pseudo. Pseudo. Coup. Coup. Cupboard. Cupboard. Psychology. Psychology. Receipt. Receipt. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. Words with silent T. Castle. Castle. Bustle. Bustle. Apostle. Apostle. Bristle. Bristle. Fasten. Fasten. Hustle. Hustle. Listen. Listen. Often. Often. Words with silent U. Biscuit. Biscuit. Build. Build. Building. Building. Built. Built. Circuit. Circuit. Disguise. Disguise. Guest. Guest. Guilty. Guilty. Rogue. Rogue. Words with silent W. Awry. Awry. Playwright. Playwright. Sword. Sword. Rap. Rap. Wrath. Wrath. Wrangle. Wrangle. Rot. Rot. Wrinkle. Wrinkle. Right. Right. Wrist. Wrist. Wrong. Wrong.
The reason why English has so many words with silent letters is English borrowed thousands of words from other languages, including Greek, Latin, French, German, Frisian, Old English, and Scottish Gaelic. Mystery solved!
If you'd like to improve your English language skills, check out Grandpa Grammar's English speaking workshop in the description below. Thank you.